Question 401. What role does emotional intelligence play in collective leadership, and how can leaders cultivate it? Emotional intelligence, A, is crucial in collective leadership as it enhances communication, conflict resolution, and empathy among team members. Leaders can cultivate A by fostering self-awareness, encouraging feedback, and practicing active listening. Training sessions focusing on emotional regulation and interpersonal skills can also be beneficial. By modeling A behaviors, such as expressing vulnerability and demonstrating empathy, leaders create a psychologically safe environment where team members feel valued. This strengthens relationships, enhances collaboration, and ultimately leads to more effective collective decision-making, as team members are more attuned to each other's emotions and perspectives. Question 402. Can you discuss a situation where you successfully facilitated a collective leadership initiative? What challenges did you face? In a previous role, I facilitated a collective leadership initiative in a mid-sized tech company experiencing siloed departments. The challenge was overcoming resistance from managers accustomed to traditional top-down approaches. I organized a series of workshops focused on the benefits of collaboration and shared leadership. By showcasing successful case studies and involving employees in the design process, I gained buy-in. We implemented cross-functional teams to address strategic goals collaboratively. Initially, there was hesitance, but as teams experienced success, enthusiasm grew. This initiative led to improved innovation and faster project delivery, demonstrating the effectiveness of collective leadership. Question 403. How can organizations measure the impact of collective leadership on business outcomes? Organizations can measure the impact of collective leadership through various metrics aligned with business outcomes. Key performance indicators, KPIs, such as employee engagement scores, turnover rates, and productivity levels, can highlight changes resulting from collective leadership practices. Additionally, qualitative feedback from employee surveys and focus groups can unveil insights into team dynamics and collaboration effectiveness. Tracking project completion times and innovation rates can also indicate how collective leadership influences operational efficiency. By correlating these metrics with the implementation of collective leadership strategies, organizations can assess the tangible benefits of this approach on overall performance. Question 404. What methods do you use to resolve conflicts that arise within a collective leadership framework? Conflict resolution within a collective leadership framework relies on open communication and active listening. I typically employ a structured approach that involves identifying the root cause of the conflict through one-on-one discussions. Subsequently, I facilitate a group dialogue to ensure all perspectives are heard and valued. Encouraging team members to express their feelings and viewpoints fosters understanding. I advocate for collaborative problem solving, guiding the team to identify common goals and workable solutions. This approach not only resolves the immediate conflict, but also strengthens relationships and trust among team members, reinforcing the collective leadership ethos. Question 405. How would you integrate continuous improvement practices into a collective leadership framework? Integrating continuous improvement, C practices, into a collective leadership framework involves creating a culture of feedback and learning. I recommend implementing regular retrospectives where team members reflect on processes and outcomes, discussing what worked and what didn't. Using methodologies like Lean or Agile can provide structured frameworks for C. Encouraging experimentation and allowing teams to iterate on their practices fosters innovation and adaptability. Additionally, establishing metrics to track progress helps ensure accountability. By embedding C into the collective leadership model, organizations can continuously evolve their practices, enhancing team performance and organizational effectiveness. Question 406. What are the key challenges organizations face when transitioning to a collective leadership model, and how can they be addressed? Key challenges include resistance to change, unclear roles, and potential power struggles among team members. To address these issues, organizations should provide clear communication about the benefits of collective leadership and involve employees in the transition process. Training programs can clarify roles within the collective framework, emphasizing shared responsibilities. Establishing a supportive leadership team to model collective behaviors is essential for fostering trust and acceptance. Additionally, creating feedback mechanisms allows teams to voice concerns and suggest improvements, ensuring the transition is collaborative and responsive to employee needs, ultimately facilitating a smoother shift to collective leadership. Question 407. Describe your approach to ensuring inclusivity in decision-making processes within a collective leadership environment. Ensuring inclusivity in decision-making involves actively engaging all team members and valuing diverse perspectives. My approach includes establishing ground rules that promote respectful dialogue and encourage contributions from everyone. I utilize techniques such as round-robin sharing and anonymous brainstorming to ensure all voices are heard, particularly from quieter members. Additionally, I advocate for diverse representation in leadership roles to reflect the team's demographics. Facilitating workshops on unconscious bias can further educate team members on the importance of inclusivity. By fostering an environment where diverse opinions are valued, teams can make more informed decisions and enhance their collective intelligence. Question 408. What role does feedback play in a collective leadership framework, and how can it be effectively implemented? Feedback is foundational in a collective leadership framework, fostering a culture of open communication and continuous improvement. To implement it effectively, organizations should establish regular feedback loops, such as peer reviews and performance check-ins. Encouraging a two-way feedback process allows team members to share insights constructively. I recommend training sessions on giving and receiving feedback to enhance skills. Utilizing anonymous feedback tools can also help ensure honesty and reduce potential discomfort. By normalizing feedback as a routine practice, teams can strengthen relationships, address issues promptly, and enhance overall performance, ensuring alignment with collective leadership goals. Question 409. How do you ensure alignment between collective leadership initiatives and organizational goals? Ensuring alignment between collective leadership initiatives and organizational goals involves strategic planning and continuous communication. I start by clearly defining the organization's vision and objectives to ensure collective leadership initiatives support these goals. Engaging stakeholders in the planning process fosters ownership and alignment. I recommend regular check-ins to assess progress and adapt initiatives as necessary. Establishing metrics that link collective leadership outcomes to business objectives provides measurable accountability. Additionally, creating a transparent communication framework allows team members to understand how their contributions tie into broader organizational goals, reinforcing purpose and motivation. Question 410. Can you explain how you would leverage technology to enhance collective leadership practices? Leveraging technology to enhance collective leadership practices involves utilizing collaboration tools to facilitate communication and engagement. Platforms like Microsoft Teams or Zoom can support real-time discussions, while project management tools like Asana or Jira can help track team progress and responsibilities. Incorporating data analytics tools can provide insights into team dynamics and performance metrics, guiding decision-making. Additionally, using shared digital workspaces promotes transparency and encourages contributions from all team members. By integrating these technologies into daily practices, organizations can streamline processes, foster collaboration, and create an inclusive environment that supports collective leadership. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.